Hello everyone, I am Dr. Govind Rai Garg and I am very happy to introduce you to Dr. Muskan Gupta, and she has got a beautiful rank of 713 in the recently concluded NEET exam. Welcome Dr. Muskan.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. First of all, congratulations to you and your family.
Thank you, sir.
Acha Muskan, please tell about your studies. So when did you start preparing? From which college you are, which attempt it is, basically everything about yourself first.
I completed my MBBS from GMC at Chandigarh, and I started. This was my first attempt, and I started preparing in third and fourth prof. Uh, so in third and fourth prof, I started with the main notes, and after during my internship, I was introduced to. In my first 6 months, I had medicine and surgery, so I was not able to focus more on studies. And in November, I was introduced to BTR through my friends, and I started following BTR. And in BTR, first I completed BTR, and then I gave GT, and then I realized that I need to have more revisions. And next, I started with PYQs, and all the PYQs which I was not able to solve or were not known, I included in the BTR only. And next, I also compiled my main notes when there was enough revisions. Then I compiled my main notes in a small sticky note, only the important stuff in my main BTR. And the main thing that I did was revision. And for pharma and patho, sir, pharma, it was the only subject I followed main notes till last. And I studied pharma from you and patho from Dr. Sparsh Gupta. And so pharma was one subject that I loved, and I wanted to get a distinction in second prof, but I left 6 marks of paper because it was on the back side, and I was not able to get distinction. But this is my distinction if I'm giving interview to you.
That's great. That's great to know. मतलब आप शुरू से पढ़े लिखे बच्चे हो and you have studied during MBBS thoroughly.
Yes, sir.
And
Sir, and I would like to say that every class and every viva, everything helps. So during paper, there were questions in my INI too that I was able to recall because I had answered in my viva. There was a question, how much the size grows of an infant, the head size. And so in my final neonatology viva, I answered 2 centimeters per month. And I was like, every viva, every stuff that a teacher says is very important. You never know when it helps you.
so that's great, guys. Who are listening to this interview, please note that study during your MBBS time, and whatever you study, it helps at some point of the time. So we always think कि ये तो भाई भाई फंस गए इसमें, but that will also help later on. Like in case of Muskan, she remembered some questions from the Viva exam. Had she not answered at that time, maybe she would have forgotten that thing. So everything helps. That is very important. अच्छा मुस्कान, ये बताइए कि was there some paper leak or something in GMCH Chandigarh? So because all the
No,
rankings are from your college.
no, sir. No,
So
sir. All the students who studied a lot during MBBS, everyone studied during MBBS. There's no one I can say that they were like surprise ranks, and all of them were studying during MBBS a lot.
and please tell students about that story also. You were telling that seniors were saying कि ये घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते, hostel से निकलते नहीं है, and now what their reaction is.
2018 batch was known to study a lot, and we did not party a lot, और we were not the ones जो बाहर पहाड़ों में चले जाएं एकदम से. तो हमें हमेशा कहा जाता था कि ये बैच सिर्फ पढ़ता रहता है, ये पढ़ता रहता है, बट इस पॉइंट पे सर ये बैच भारी पड़ रहा है सब पे.
दैट्स ग्रेट, दैट्स ग्रेट. तो जो भी सीनियर्स जूनियर्स बोलते थे कि ये बैच पढ़ने के अलावा कुछ नहीं करता, सो नाउ दे मस्ट हैव रियलाइज्ड कि पढ़ा है तो कुछ उखाड़ भी लिया है. बिल्कुल.
हाँ जी सर, कि वो हमें हेल्प कर रहा है एक पॉइंट पे आके.
Definitely, definitely. Studies always matter. Obviously, whosoever works hard will get a good result, and we are very proud of you students. And this batch of GMCH, everyone will be proud of in Chandigarh particularly.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Muskan, please guide our students who are appearing for 2025 or maybe in the INICT November. So how their preparation should be. So which point they should keep in mind, and they must do things and must not do things.
So I would like to say that one of my seniors said during internship that it's not important to study a fixed number of hours during every day during internship, because it's not possible. Some duties will be 6 hours, some will be 12 hours, and some will be 24 hours. But sir, it's important that no days goes without studying. That if you did only half an hour, or even during internship, if you get any time and you solve any MCQ, so everything helps. And I'd like to say that it's not it should not be disheartening that if you're not able to study for one month, if it's your medicine or surgery, but don't lose hope, and you should go till the very end, as Dr. Praveen Tripathi said during his uh, motivational video, that you should go till the very end. And so that helps a lot. You never know कौन सा part जो तुमने कभी question शायद internship में solve किया होगा, कौन सा तुम्हें कब आ जाए. And sir, I'd like to thank Dr. Zainab Hora a lot, because she did the hard work we needed to do, and that made our journey very easy. And she had compiled all the PYQs or PYTs. And so I'd not say that you should do that, and you should also compile the PYQs. And I'll say that revision and questions are equally important. So because both are modes of learning, and you never know the question you will get wrong or the question you don't know anything about. Well, you'll never forget it, even without revising it again. So I'll say that you should equally emphasize on revision and questions.
So basically, you are echoing my sentiments. I keep on telling the students that there are three pillars of PG entrance preparation. One is obviously your conceptual knowledge and whatever you have theory you have studied. But equally important are MCQ practice and the grand test. So
Yes, so
they are also
grand
equally
test is also
important.
very
Yeah.
important.
And the
And I would
grand test
also
in
say,
particular, as you told, that if you make some questions wrong, so that will embed in your brain. So in the exam, you will never make that mistake.
yes,
So
sir.
that is very important. So we were talking about grand test. So please tell the students what is the importance of grand test, and how many should be given, and how they should be reviewed.
So I think whenever you start your preparation, you should give a base GT so that you know where you stand, and you need to build up on that. But remember, GT is a learning tool. Don't It'll progress as you do it, but you never know which one is difficult and which one is easy. If your rank falls, it doesn't mean that you haven't worked hard. And you should take it as a learning tool. Every question you get wrong, it's very important to review it. There's no use of giving GT without reviewing it, because I did it that when I revised my GTs or reviewed my GTs, so every question that was I did wrong or I did not know anything about, I compiled it in one of the A4 sheets or a small one, so that it's one piece of paper contains only one question, and I stick it on my wall, and I revised it whenever I was going out or in, so that I can see or review it. And those questions were the ones I would not have got wrong. And so GTs are very important in that. And I think the base GT, and then you can your frequency in the start when you have not compiled subjects, or you have not completed much subjects, monthly, and then weekly you can give. And the frequency, I think it depends upon the person, how much they want to. There was a time I was giving GTs alternate days, but you need to review your previous GT before giving the next one. That's the most important thing.
Yes.
Don't skip to the next one without reviewing the previous one.
Yes. Acha Muskan, we were talking about your center before the interview. So you got a center far away from your place, and tell me that story, please, to the students also.
So in INI, I got sent to Batenda, and I was living in my hostel. I was not preparing in my home. My parents are in Mumbai, but I was preparing in Chandigarh. And so they were not there to take me to Batenda. So we all friends went to Batenda, and we were very scared, and we were even disheartened that why Batenda to us, and people got Patiala and even nearer to Chandigarh. So we were not
So
happy
basically,
with.
guys, I want to tell you, maybe everyone is not knowing that Patiala is quite close to Chandigarh in nearly 1 hour drive, whereas Bathinda is around 4 to 5 hours drive. Bathinda
Yes.
is quite far from Chandigarh. So that's what she's talking about.
So, but during when people were very upset with the centers during NEET, but we got our center same, that is Vitinda, and we were very happy because we knew how to get there, and where we need to stay, and how to get to the center. There was only one center in Vitinda. We knew which will be our center, how to get a hotel close to that. So we were very happy, and उससे realize हुआ कि भगवान जो करता है अच्छा करता है.
That's great. That's great. Absolutely said. And Muskan, which was your shift, morning or evening?
Evening.
इवनिंग शिफ्ट. सो गाइज, दोज हु वर सेइंग दैट के इवनिंग शिफ्ट से कोई रैंकर्स नहीं आए हैं, ठीक है. सो वन एग्जांपल इज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, and I had interviewed many other students who were in shift 2. So I feel yes, the paper was difficult in shift 2 as compared to shift 1, but I will not assume that there were no toppers from shift 2. तो दोनों से टॉपर्स, तो जिसने अच्छा किया है, तो ऑब्वियसली वेदर इट इज शिफ्ट 1 और शिफ्ट 2, द स्टूडेंट्स हैव गॉट द रिजल्ट्स. Muskan, one last important thing. What was your mindset during the exam, actual
So,
exam?
so during the actual exam, I was told that it will be very easy. It will be easier than the INI because I found INI easy. May INI, but I was not able to maintain my mental peace in the first two sets because I thought, what is this? This was not the one I was expecting. But during the from third set, I started that no, this is the only one. This is the chance I'm getting, and I should do well. और जो क्वेश्चन है वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा. I cannot change them. So it's very important to maintain the mental peace. I was telling my parents that if I had maintained my mental peace in the first two, I hope I would have got a better rank than this one too.
So that's
And sir,
good.
I like to use this platform to thank my parents and especially my study partner. Sir, it's Arvin, Saurav Kumar ji na, and we prepared. And sir, I would like to say, लोग कहते हैं ना जो पढ़ना चाहे ना वो स्ट्रीट लाइट के नीचे भी पढ़ लेते हैं. And sir, we did it. Sir, we were two, so we cannot study in reading room because we spoke when we study. Sir, हमने फ्लोर्स पे पढ़ा है कॉलेज की without fan and AC
Oh,
from November. एंड सर हमने इवन कॉलेज के बाहर पढ़ा है धूप में 10 बजे तक सुबह. एंड सर एवरी DDR जहां जहां जगह मिल सकती थी हमने हर जगह पढ़ा है. मतलब सर सच में जो पढ़ना चाहे वो कहीं पे भी पढ़ सकता है. एंड इट्स आवर विथ दैट we both are selected in this paper.
so you please name again your friends.
So my study partner Saurav Kumar, Gina, and Abhishek, CV, Shubham, Navdeep Kaur Sidhu, and Jindal. So these were the people who believed that I'll do it.
So all these students जिनका मैंने नाम बुलवाया है, प्लीज मेरे को पार्टी दे देना. So it's so lovely to interact with you and your appreciation for your friends. तो ये सुन के बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि when we get success, तो we should not forget के जो हमारे पीछे थे, हमारे साथ खड़े हुए थे. So
हाँ
it
जी
is
सर.
so lovely to know that. अच्छा मुस्कान, one last thing, the students who are preparing for 2025, so your last message to them.
So I would like to say that it's patience, consistency, and struggle. These three combined will give you a wonderful result.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इंटरेक्टिंग विद अस और हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड करने के लिए. एंड मुस्कान, देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस व्हेन वी पोस्ट दिस यूट्यूब वीडियो, सो प्लीज बी अवेलेबल टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Thank you so much and heartiest congratulations to you as
Thank
well as
you.
your parents.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.